Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rider Pro. Today we're taking a closer look at the new Yamaha WR250R, a legendary dual sport motorcycle known for its off-road capability and everyday practicality. Let's explore its design, engine, features, performance, and whether it's still worth considering. Bold and rugged design. The Yamaha WR250R features a lightweight body, aggressive Enduro styling, a high front fender, slim fuel tank, LED-style lighting, and a comfortable upright riding position. Its rugged appearance is built for both city roads and challenging off-road trails. Engine and performance. Powering the WR250R is a 250cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected single-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The engine delivers smooth power, quick throttle response, and excellent reliability for highway cruising and trail riding alike. Off-road capability. This bike is built for adventure, with long travel suspension, high ground clearance, lightweight chassis, and durable dual-purpose tires. The WR250R handles dirt roads, rocky trails, and rough terrain with confidence while remaining comfortable on paved roads. Features. The Yamaha WR250R comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, fuel injection, electric start, aluminum frame, front and rear disc brakes, adjustable suspension, and premium build quality designed for long-lasting performance. Ride quality. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring mountain trails, the WR250R offers balanced handling, responsive steering, and excellent rider comfort. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to control for both beginners and experienced riders. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent off-road performance, reliable engine, lightweight design, smooth 6-speed transmission, and premium suspension. Cons: tall seat height for shorter riders, limited wind protection, and a higher price than some competitors. Final verdict: the new Yamaha WR250R remains one of the best dual-sport motorcycles for riders who want one bike that can handle both daily commuting and serious off-road adventures. If you're looking for versatility, durability, and Yamaha reliability, the WR250R is an excellent choice. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more motorcycle reviews and automotive updates. See you in the next video.